Hi everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today you'll learn how to write a college fair invitation letter. It is a formal invitation to prospective students, schools, and educational institutions to attend your college fair. Start by including your name, position, and the institution's details. This helps set the tone and shows who is extending the invitation. Ensure you also provide the full address, including the city, state, and zip code, along with your contact information, such as email and phone number, for easy communication. Then, include the date of the letter, ensuring it reflects the current day. In the subject line, make it clear that you're inviting the recipient to the college name, fair, specifying the date so that it stands out. The greeting should be personalized, addressing the recipient directly with their name, making the letter feel more tailored and formal. After that, write, "We are pleased to invite you to the upcoming college name, fair scheduled for date at venue. This event will bring together esteemed academic institutions, industry experts, and aspiring students to explore educational opportunities, scholarship programs, and career pathways. It will be an excellent platform to interact with representatives from various colleges and gain valuable insights into admission processes and course offerings. We would be honored by your presence at this event and encourage you to participate in discussions, networking sessions, and interactive workshops. Kindly confirm your attendance by RSVP deadline. For any further details, please feel free to contact us at email address or phone number. We look forward to welcoming you to an enriching and informative experience. Best regards, your name, your institution name. Here's our sample college fair invitation letter. You'll notice how it clearly presents the details of the event, including the date, venue, and purpose of the fair. The letter highlights why attending the fair is beneficial, such as networking opportunities with various institutions and gaining valuable insights into educational programs. By following this format step by step, you can create a clear and compelling invitation that encourages recipients to attend. This letter helps the recipient understand the value of the event and how they can benefit from participating. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on crafting effective invitation letters and other essential documents.